Day.
Happy Mother's Day din pa sa ni Mama, Cherry, si Almond nandun ay pag-choose sa KJ. Yan KJ. KJ yan eh. Happy Mother's Day. Salamat sa lahat. As usual. Salamat lalo ngayong tinulungan mo ako for the past 6 months, half a year na tinulungan mo kami ni Shena para matapos kami sa NCLEX. So, konti na lang. See you soon. And pangarap ko kasi sana talaga is makatulong sa inyo dyan na mabawasan yung workload nyo, makuha na kayo ng insurance. So, hopefully, pag nandyan na kami, magyari lahat yung gusto natin para makatulong kami sa inyo. Salamat ulit, ma. Happy Mother's Day. I love you.
Hi ma, Happy Mother's Day po. Salamat sa unconditional love, pati naman din ng mga doggies, lalo na itong napakamahal na aso na to. Thank you kay mama. Thank you ma sa inyo ni Papa sa support at saka sa pagmamahal, sa sakripisyo para sa family dito sa Pilipinas. Thank you ma at ingat kayo palagi dyan. I love you po.
Happy Mother's Day,
Happy
ma.
Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mami Loves. Uy, Happy Mother's Day kay Mami Loves.
Ikaw, alam mo, bumati ka. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mami Loves. Happy Mother's
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. I love you. Pahabol kami. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you very much for being our lifelong inspiration sa patuloy na pagpapakita o pagpaparamdam mo na ng God's love for us ay ikaw ang naging model namin. Ang model ng unconditional love. Ikaw ang naging inspiration namin kung paano magmahal ng walang beyond imperfection at walang kapalit. Sana patuloy mo kaming gabayan at ikaw ang aming perfect example ng motherhood. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Ma. Sa iyo. We will be forever grateful as your children, me personally as one of your children, ay patuloy at habang ako'y humihinga, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Diyos na ikaw ang naging nanay ko. I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day po, Mami Loves. Thank you po sa pag-support sa akin, lalong-lalo na po sa pag-aaral namin. Love you so much po. Keep safe.
Happy Mother's Day, Mami Loves. Ingat po kayo palagi. I love you, Mami. I love you, Mami Loves. Happy Mother's Day.
Wait. Wait naman. I love you, Mami Love.
Artie ko po.
Daddy.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Mag-iingat ka po palagi at maraming salamat po sa mga suporta niyo sa amin. We love you.
Hi, Ma. Happy Mother's Day. Sinabi ko naman na sa iyo na maraming salamat sa Diyos dahil naging mama kita at naging anak mo ko. Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na lahat ng sakripisyo at paghihirap mo dyan, lahat ng puyat at pagod mo, na-appreciate namin lahat yun. At pinahalagahan namin lahat yun. Alam namin na inialay nyo na ni Papa ang buhay ninyo para sa ikagiginawa ng family natin. Maraming salamat, Ma. At maraming salamat. Kahit ilang beses ako mamatay at muling mabuhay, kung papipiliin ako ng nanay ko, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko, Ma. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Ma, at maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal na umaapaw hanggang sa asawa ko at lalong-lalo na po sa mga anak ko. Kaya, again, Mama, Happy Mother's Day! We love you! Uwi na kayo. Miss na namin kayo. Faith.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy Loves! We love you and we miss you. Ingat ka po palagi.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Ingat po kayo lagi dyan.
Yun lang.
Ikaw.
Thank you, Ma. Happy Mother's Day. We love you.
Take care po.
Ingat kayo lagi ni Papa dyan.
Take care of your health. See you.
Soon.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Thank you sa lahat. Salamat ng maraming sa mga palaging pagsalo sa amin, lalo na sa akin. Maraming salamat, Ma. We love you. Happy Mother's Day. I miss you.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma!
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Thank you sa lahat ng mga binibigay mo sa amin, ng mga pinaprovide mo, ng love mo, ng care mo sa amin. At proud kami sa iyo, Ma, sa mga nangyayari sa buhay natin, sa aming magkakapatid, sa mga anak mo na nakakarating dyan sa US at makakarating pa dyan. Proud kami sa iyo. At sa inyo ni Papa. Yun lang. Happy Mother's Day. We love you.
Happy Mother's Day po. Stay healthy po and ingat po kayo palagi dyan.
Happy Mother's Day!
Hi po, sweetheart. Happy Mother's Day po. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi and see you soon po dyan sa Amerika. Love you po. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy Loves. Thank you po sa lahat ng sakripisyo nyo para sa amin. We miss you and we love you.
Happy Mother's Day, sweetheart. I love you. Sana po you will stay safe and stay healthy. Love you. Ay. We love you, sweetheart. Happy Mother's Day.
Mommy Loves, we love you. Stay safe. See you soon in America. Bye-bye. Mother's Day po. I love you. I miss you.
have always been a dreamer, followed visions of my own. I was born to belong to the lines of a song and make them my home.
I believe in happy endings, though I've only known a few.
For as real as they are, I found one in you. Sometimes all the world can seem so friendless, and the road ahead so endless, and the dreams so far away. Sometimes when I'm almost to surrender, then I stop and I remember I have you to save my day.
Often my imagination has me reaching out too far. When I felt you were there with your hand in the air, you knew from the start.
Sometimes after all you've done to save me, through the love you freely gave me, every step along the way. Sometimes people ask what keeps me going, and in truth it comes from knowing I have you to save my day. Sometimes feeling helpless when I held you, wishing words would come to tell you I have you to save my day.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy Loves.
Happy Mother's
Day. We love you.
We love you. Sige, tingnan natin kung okay na yun.
I was born to belong to the lines of a song and make them my own. I believe happy endings, though I've only known a few. Forest red.
Hindi ba ka na lang?
Kung masyado mabilis kong lalaki.